We all did it once. God, please give me $1 million. Then you can solve my problems and I will be happy again. I did this as well. And the funny thing, God actually listened to my prayers and he gave me $3 million. Well, I'm going to tell you, I lost it all. And there are 3 points in that I will walk through in this video that will be pretty important for you to understand this entire concept. Because there are some things that I want you to watch out for in the journey of entrepreneurship and trading. Now, by the way, if you're new to the channel and you don't know me yet, my name is Camille. I also go by the name of Trading Wizard. And on this channel, I share the reality of day trading instead of all of the nonsense you see online. All right? So if you like that, make sure that you subscribe right now. Now, let me give you some context. I didn't grow up rich. I grew up poor. Okay? And one of the things that a poor guy always wants is more money. Simply because he thinks, hey, money is the savior for everything. And I was this guy as well. I saw money as the savior. So the only thing that I was doing is praying to God. God, please help me out of this situation. Please just give me $1 million so I can stop working. And then at one day, boom. I found the right investment. I was learning myself how to trade and I was investing because I was working as a manager from a pretty young age. Again, I didn't have a lot of money. I didn't have parents who did it for me, so I had to do it myself. So I started working super early. Landed me a manager's job at a pretty young age. I was earning around 6 to 8K a month at the age of 16, 17. Quite some money. So I started to teach myself how to invest and how to trade. And while I was doing this, I just said, hey, God, this is getting too much work. I'm putting in all of the work. I'm skipping all of the parties. I deserve this $1 million now. So I started praying. And boom, one day, 460x on one investment. Meaning that if you put $1 in, you get $460 back. Quite a big investment. And I went from not a rich guy learning how to build a skill to now a rich guy. And what did I do? I made every single mistake a poor guy with money does. All right. I straight up moved to Dubai when I was 18. I said, hey, I'm rich now. I'm going to leave this place here. I went to Dubai. I bought everything I liked. I lived in the most luxurious hotels. And then at a certain moment, the dream stopped. All right. The dream just completely stopped and I lost almost everything that I had. Now, I was lucky that in the meanwhile, I was still trading. All right. But what did I do? I confused my trading with investing. And I basically lost my entire sense of what it actually was to be a trader. So what happened was I was still building on the skill of trading, but my investing money just disappeared. So I wasn't rich anymore. I did had still quite some money left, think about a couple of 100K, but I was not a millionaire anymore. So I had to put my ego aside and I said, hey, I cannot survive this pace in Dubai right now. I need to go back to the Netherlands. So that's what I did. I went back to the Netherlands, I shoved my ego aside and I said, okay, there are 2 things now that I need to think of. Number 1, God gave me this blessing. This means as well that it would be a huge middle finger if I'm not going to prove him wrong and going to prove him that I'm actually worthy of this $1 million. All right. Number 2, I had to prove towards myself, okay, Camille, you need to do it now in the trading space so that trading was the only thing that's proven here to actually be sustainable. Because what I had to realize is that in a bull market, everyone can become rich. Okay, so you basically in the investing space, you have bull markets and bear markets. A bull market where everything goes up, a bear market where everything goes down. Now the funny thing is because I was focusing on trading as well, this bear market became the moment where I was born as a trader. That was the moment where I made all of the money back. So where the majority of the people, because they are just investing and focusing on the investing side, they only have 1 or 2 years in a span of 6 years to make money. As a trader, you can make money in every single market. It doesn't matter if the market goes up or down because you can long and you can short the market. Now, when I was back home with my ego aside, I knew, okay, this is how I need to make it back now. And one of the biggest lessons that I want to give in this video is that I was praying for something that wasn't sustainable at all. I just said to God, God, please help me out of this situation and give me something that I'm basically not worth yet. What do I mean with this? I'm going to give an analogy here. We have this super obese guy, 150 kilos, all right? And this obese guy, he prays to God, God, please give me a healthy body. Give me a healthy body. The guy wakes up, boom, next day, 75 kilos. Yes, 75 kilos. So right now, he looks in the mirror, he sees his six-pack, he feels super good. So what does he do? He just continues life. Oh God, thank you so much. And he still eats the same things. And he still does the same things. He even eats more. Why? Because he thinks, hey, God gave me this body now. Look how healthy I am. Now I'm finally the guy who can eat McDonald's and who doesn't have to be guilty and look in the mirror and be fat. Now what will happen to him if he does this for 3 months or 6 months? He will be back at the fat point again. Even though God gave him this blessing, he will go back towards the point where he started. Why? Simply because he didn't build the rules and the habits that you need in order to keep that body and to actually earn it. And this is the exact same thing for me. I wasn't long enough in the game. I didn't know all of the rules that I needed to know in order to be a millionaire. And I needed the discipline in order to actually become one, and I needed to earn it. And the moment once I earned it was the moment once I lost it all. Because 90% of the people who have luck in such a space, they lose it all and they quit. And they say, okay, the market is just a scam. I knew it. Yeah, okay, it was fun. I didn't see it like that. I just saw it as, okay, God gave me the opportunity. I absolutely messed up here. Now I need to prove myself and God that I can do it again. And this is what I did. And I said to myself, now I need to focus on asking God, God, please make me the person who is worth this. I want to become a billionaire, guys, simply because I lost more than $2.4 million in one day. Okay, more than $3 million in total, but more than $2.4 million in one day. I just want to make $2.4 billion now, just to prove myself and to God that I can actually do it after such a setback. But what do I know? I can pray to God right now and say, please give me this $2.4 billion right now. What will happen? I will lose it again. I will make the exact same mistake again. Why? Because I am not a billionaire yet. Meaning, I don't know how to manage $1 billion. Same goes, the obese guy doesn't know what it is to maintain a body that's 75 kilos. Same goes that if most probably I would give you, if you're watching this and you, let's say, have less than 100K, if I give you $3 million right now, you might think that you know how to keep it, but it's way harder than you actually think. Just ask yourself, what would you do with the $3 million right now? You most probably don't know. And this is the whole thing. It's because you need to earn it. Now this is something that I want, like the core reason why I wanted to make this video is you need to be super careful of what you pray for. Meaning that you can ask for those things, but it's way better to say and focus on the journey itself. Stop focusing just on the destination, but start focusing on the journey. And the more fun the journey becomes, and the more you see, this is what I needed to learn in order to earn, the more sustainable it will be. They have this super famous quote, and that is that the guy who loves running will run further than the guy who just loves the destination. And this is something that I have in trading. In the beginning, I was poor and I thought, hey, I just want to become rich because that is going to get rid of all of my struggles. Then I don't have to struggle about money anymore and I'm basically safe. Until I realized that at the end of the day, that should never ever be the goal. The goal should be, how can I become this rich person who loves his life and who can sustain it in the best possible way? And this is what I'm focusing on right now. Your trading journey or your entrepreneurial journey isn't supposed to be easy. Because an easy life, go scan groceries or have a normal 9-to-5 life. But if you want to excel in life and if you want to have more and if you want to desire the entire world, then I want you to understand that you need to make certain sacrifices for this as well. Now this is what you need to learn. Again, I'm not going to pray anymore, give me $1 billion. But I am going to pray a lot, please make me the person that is worth this $1 billion. Please give me the lessons that I need in order to make this $1 billion. And this is what I want you to do as well. Look at your current goals and ask yourself, please make me this person. The fat obese guy should never ask anymore, please give me this 75 kilo body. But he should ask, please implement the lifestyle and make me love the lifestyle that works towards that. Because that is the only sustainable way in order to actually go there. Alright? Become the person first and then you will see that you can actually make it, and then you can make it way more. Now this is what I had. I lost almost everything, and that's the moment when I started to say, okay, now I'm just going to focus on the trading journey. Investing is going to be basically my multiplier, so I generate money on one side. And by the way, if you don't know what I do and how I trade, there's a free school below where I literally, even if you don't know what trading is yet, and you don't even know what a candlestick is, just go below the video, free school. There's a full beginner's course in there, and I explain my strategy in there. So just go there. There's no broker sign-ups or anything else. So what did I know? I said, I'm just going to focus on generating money on one side, and I want to multiply it on the other. But I'm going to focus purely on how can I craft this skill so good that it's the most sustainable. All right? And this is what made me the money back a lot more times than I actually lost. And this is how I moved back to Dubai. I'm currently living here now for 6 years. I just got myself a house in Zurich as well. I proved myself and God that I was actually worth this money. And this is something that I want you to do as well. Now, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to this video right here. And please let me know in the comments what you want me to make a video about, or what one of your key takeaways was from this video. I hope that this one helped you out, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.